Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? In this particular video, we're going to come up here and we're going to look at this feature now that the links customization to the source. That's what it means. Link customization to the source. Well, what is the source? Well, we know that our source is our input routing. Okay, we know this. Our destination is what we're going to send that to. In this particular case, it's going to be inputs or channels 1 through 40. I've taken the time to label these coming through on my DAW, which is Reaper, that I'm bringing in through the USB. So if we come back up here to Home, and we click on the name color icon, if I uncheck this, watch what happens to the scribble strip. See how that number 1 just disappeared? Okay. If I select none, watch what happens. I lose it all. As you can see, all this is gone. These right up here, you'll see are DCAs. That's what I'm running here. But if you notice on my buses, see, I put this in right here. I actually labeled these from here. Okay, from this part, you see that's not there. I can't use or change that option. Same way with the hall reverb. And if you do this, don't worry about it right now. On this particular one, we're using version 3.06-27 and version 3.2.1 for Wing Edit. Now, if we go back to the home and we come back up here to number 1 and we click on this, we can come up here and turn it back on again and select all and then confirm it. And there we go. We're right back to our scribble strip. Okay. Now let's go over and let's do the same thing from the actual faceplate from the wing rack. And here we go. So if we come up here now, we just come to Home, click on any one of them, and we come to icon color right there. That's what we're looking at. You see, it made it disappear right there. If I select all, it's going to confirm it. If I select none, it's just going to be like it was before. We go back to the Home. As you can see, everything is gone here from the scribble strip. But if we get down to our buses, there's my bus there, and the bus 16, there's the hall reverb. Okay, so we come back to 1 through 8, hit on this, come back over to icon color. And now on this, if we just select all, I think it's going to actually turn it back on. As you can see, it does. It turns everything back on from the faceplate. Now, here's a couple bonuses. The lines you see right here, that's because I do have them set up on the DCA. The first blue up here on the number 1, that is the, I believe that's the mute group right here. And then the DCA down here on the bottom right, the red, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 1 right there, that's main 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we go this over here to the actual DCAs right here, and we take the guitars and we bring them down just a little bit, and this down just a little bit, we'll actually see this over here in this line. Now, if I come back to our Wing Edit and come to DCAs, you should actually see that move now. See those move? I'm actually doing this from Wing Edit now. And this is just showing you where that DCA is in reference to the actual input signal. Okay? Just a bonus, all right? So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. Take care, God bless, and we are out of here.